So this is the in-home grow setup. So right here I have a lemon cucumber, serrano pepper, yellow boy tomato. This is a yellow wax tomato. Yellow wax pepper, and this is another lemon pepper. So the idea is to trellis the cucumbers up, and then I'll put some string between these two, and so the lemon cucumbers will just hang down like Christmas balls, because lemon cucumbers are they like look like little baseballs. And then I use some of this soil right here, some garden soil, and some mushroom compost. And this is some grow lights from Walmart. I have it on the blue setting. The blue setting promotes root growth and vegetation growth, which I want. And I will be pruning the peppers, the tomatoes, all of that to keep them not so big. And then over here, I kind of put like a herb bowl, pak choi bowl together. All of these are from seed except for the basil and the lemon oregano. This is lemon oregano, basil, pak choi, and papalo. Papalo is like cilantro, but less cilantro-y, because cilantro kind of tastes like, detergent or soap. This is really good. It's light. It's not so bad, but it's similar to cilantro. So these are grow lights also. I got these from Ace Hardware. They're like between 12 and 15 bucks. And like I said, this one is from Walmart and it was very reasonably priced. And so I say this to encourage you to grow your own food. You can even do it in your house. And I will keep you guys updated on the progress of these. I can't wait to just come over here and eat my own yellow lemon cucumbers.